I'm a broken record on this subject, but since the fall of 2009, literally, it's been about 2% a year, you know, and I don't think the figures are necessarily that accurate when you get to tenths and all of that. I'm sure it's sped up a little bit sometimes and fallen back just a little. It's been 2% a year now for 7.5 years, and I don't think we've really seen anything like that. I mean, it was a great recession, but the recovery has been very steady. You know, autos are falling off a little now, but housing is good, and most of our businesses are doing a little bit better. But I don't see it being a lot more than that. I don't see it being a lot less. I wouldn't be surprised if when it's revised, it comes in a little higher than that. And it's not perfect reporting. Now, what I see isn't perfect either, obviously, but I just don't see anything but kind of a steady rise. Well, I would say this: if they had passed a budget, that would be news. But that whole thing it's archaic. I mean, they ought to figure out a better system, both in terms of the debt limit and going through these theatrics on this. It's kind of unbecoming almost. I mean, the country's been around a long time, and we should have gotten so we don't have to go through this all the time.
Is it something that you pay much attention to as a business leader when watching these things? And we have gotten kind of accustomed to the theatrics, as you put it.
Yeah, no, not at all. I mean, anytime a debt limit comes up, you know, I'm not sitting there thinking, you know, is the United States going to default on debt or anything of the sort. I think 99% of people in business feel that way.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.